Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. McIntosh Bedding Company Limited has officially closed its doors after 60 years. In a statement, company founder Donald McIntosh shared that the decision was not an easy one, but challenges over the last decade intensified since the COVID-19 pandemic. He said despite best efforts, the company is left with no choice but to say farewell. He further stated that he founded McIntosh Bedding based on a dream to give people a better way to sleep. Mr. McIntosh thanked his family, business partners, 4 generations of staff, suppliers, customers and international partners for their support over the years. An assurance this evening from the Bank of Jamaica that its reserves remain strong. The BOJ governor was responding to questions about the foreign exchange issues now facing Trinidad and Tobago.
Devaluation versus a fixed exchange range. That debate has intensified recently in light of the ongoing foreign exchange crisis facing Trinidad and Tobago. For the past year, the demand for forex has grown in the Twin Island Republic, with Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley insisting that it's due mainly because more citizens are purchasing foreign goods and there's been a major increase in online purchases. And while his government is working on a solution, he stressed devaluing the dollar is not an option. The current exchange rate is 6 Trinidadian dollars 75 cents to $1. When asked to weigh in, BOJ Governor Richard Bowles said countries make decisions based on their own interests.
There are 2 countries that have pretty much gone the way Jamaica has, which is the DOMREP and ourselves. Everybody else has a fixed exchange rate. They don't fight inflation with interest rates. They tend to have significant subsidies in the economy. And Jamaica has taken a different approach, a kind of market-driven approach.
As it relates to Jamaican reserves.
But today, we have reserves that are strong and large and allows us to intervene and to be an active participant in a free market where if you want to go and buy $5,000 to have a holiday, you can get it. And every Jamaican who has a bank account in US dollars can access that account at any time, instantly.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
On the foreign exchange market, banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.18. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $107.70. $195.36 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $162.28. On the stock market, the JC index advanced by 1,587 points, while the junior market index advanced by 20 points. Among the 53 winners were Wigton Energy, Proven US Dollar Shares, Express Catering, Blue Power Group, and Consolidated Bakeries. The 41 losers were led by JPS 9.5%, MFS Capital Partners, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, ISP Finance and Lasco Financial Services. 23 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's the financial week. News from overseas when we come back.